Sleeping Beauty. Uh-huh. She's Sleeping Beauty. Yeah-huh. Yeah-huh. Where is she? Are you beautiful? She moved her tail. Wait. I'm gonna ask you some questions. Move a part of your body if that's a yes, and stay still if it's no. So, are you beautiful? Okay, so I guess you are beautiful. Okay, are you ugly? Okay, I guess that's a no. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Okay, you moved your tail a little, so you're a little sleepy. You ask her a question.
Are you a beautiful kitty cat?
She moved her tail. Do you like tuna? Okay, you moved your tail. Yep, okay. So you like tuna. Do you have a boyfriend? Then how are you pregnant, cat? Are you pregnant? Wait, is that a moving tail? No. Are you pregnant? Hello? Okay, fine. Then I'll ask trivia questions to Angel over there. Just the same, so if you're saying yes, then move some part of your body. No, I didn't mean move now. I meant like for a yes. I know. And then for no, don't move anything. Ready? So what's the first question? Let's see. Are you beautiful? Are you moving? Yep, you moved. Okay, you're beautiful. Are you ugly? She literally... So, I guess she's both ugly and beautiful. Do you like carrots? Why do you keep doing... like, literally. She's a superstar.